Hi, viewers. Sorry for the disturbance. Um, my phone was off for some time, so I I will be upload this video as a part two of the reading of Virgo sign. So I was there that you are celebrating some time with your family or friends, or maybe you are thinking to reunite with your partner right now. And what's on your mind right now is Ten of Swords, and you are very much worried and very much in pain regarding this. Regarding your relationship, because in your recent past you have Five of Swords, and this is a conflict or no win situation, very much fight and fussing going on was going on with you, and you are going through very much conflicted situation where you are fighting with your spouse, or maybe you are fighting with everyone, or maybe your spouse or spouse want to win argument over any cost, or or you are also wanted to uh, win the situation uh, at any cost. So there is a conflict and no win situation for this conflict. So both parties are trying to win this situation at all costs, was trying to. It was in past situation, so that's why you are very much in pain in your mind. You are very much suffering because of this, and you wanted to reunite your partner um, desperately. That's why you have to uh, manifest this relationship, and because you love this person, and you are very much aware of your emotions regarding this relationship, and with this person. So you have to work hard to come out from this conflict and this pain, and to reunite this person. And in near future, yes, I can see the commitment and a happy home, happy family. So you are and I can see marriages. Yes, you will have something regarding your marriage, and something regarding your uh, relationship. Something will good happen. Maybe you people will reunite as you wanted to reunite this person. So you will be inshallah reunite. And let me take two more cards for this person. Yes, you will be happy. You will be happy for this relationship. You will get your emotional satisfaction and happiness back regarding this marriage and this relationship. um, because of this, you tried very hard, and uh, you you very much aware about your emotion toward this person. And yes, Two of Cups. Wow, this is very much beautiful thing coming for you, that maybe you reunite with your person, because you love them. They are your soulmate, and you feel very emotionally fulfilled with this person, and you will have this commitment again in your life, this marriage. You will heal this marriage and this conflicting situation in August month, maybe 10 maybe 10th of August, maybe 12th of August. This conflict can be resolved, or maybe it take the end of the August. uh, but you have in yourself, you have Ten of Wands. You have to do a lot of work. Whenever you get back this person, you will have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders to make this relationship balanced and stable. You both will have to work together, work hard. And this person surrounding you, and maybe he or she is your spouse, they also wanted to make things happen desperately, because they are uh, very much passionate for this marriage and this relationship. They are also very much passionate. They want this relationship. Maybe they are desperate about for this, and you have to be work a lot, and this will be very much uh, burdenized. You will feel burdenized yourself to take responsibilities for this relationship on your shoulders, and your hope and fear is your source. So you are fearing that you will get heartbreak again. You will get heartbreak if you take some risk, or you will try to do something. You will face the heartbreaks again. But this is your hopes, your fears, not your hopes. You're fearing more than you're hoping. So stop worrying about this, because you have very much beautiful in your in month of August coming in your way, and in the outcome you will have, definitely you will have this peace of mind in month of August, because this is your outcome. You will be very you will be travel, or you maybe you are trying to travel from something for your home and families. You are maybe thinking to travel, but this is that a part of your mind, and thinking your mind, peace of mind, and you will have this peace of mind after this conflict and painful situation. You will have your peace of mind in month of August, inshallah. Let's see two more cards for this. Yes, you will have peace of mind. You will have new spark in your relationships, and you will definitely you some passions ignite in your relationship, and you will have new thing to do in your relationship after getting peace of mind. And yes, your person and you are very much action oriented, and very much wanted to take steps to get that peace of mind, and the peace of situation, peace of in your relationship, and peace and harmony you will have in your relationship in month of August, inshallah. So hope this reading will resonate with you in month of August. If so, please let me know in comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.